Now, welcome to our next step of our SEO journey together. In today's session, we're going to focus on a cornerstone of a successful SEO campaign, crafting a robust content strategy. So let's explore how to align your content with your SEO goals and your audience needs. Let's do this.
A well thought out content strategy is the backbone of effective SEO. So we're not just going to talk about topics. We're going to learn how to plan content that resonates with your audience and search engines. Our first step will be to identify relevant topics for our audience. And ideally, we want topics with high SEO value. So let's ask ChatGPT to help us brainstorm some themes for a niche we know well but want to explore deeper. Home gardening in urban spaces. I'll type, generate a list of content themes for urban home gardening that are likely to interest an audience of city dwellers.
Notice how we inserted first the niche, urban home gardening, but also the audience, city dwellers. So you need to adapt those two elements to your own context.
All right, we have a variety of themes ChatGPT suggests, from vertical gardening solutions to eco-friendly pest control. Each of these can be a pillar in our content strategy, attracting different segments of our target audience. With our topics in hand, the next step is to decide on the types of content that will best convey this information. Will it be blog posts, how-to guides, video tutorials, or infographics? Let's consult ChatGPT. I'm typing what content types are best suited for themes related to urban home gardening. Okay, we can see that ChatGPT suggests a mix that includes how-to guides for practical tasks, blog posts for deeper exploration of topics, and videos for step-by-step processes. It's interesting because this mix can cater to different learning styles and engagement preferences. So that's really useful. Now, we are going to see how to integrate keywords into our content pieces naturally. For that, we'll create detailed outlines that incorporate our keywords thoughtfully throughout the content. For example, let's build an outline for a beginner's guide to vertical gardening in small spaces. I'll prompt ChatGPT, create a detailed content outline for a beginner's guide to vertical gardening in small spaces, including keywords like urban gardening, vertical garden ideas, and small space gardening tips. All right. It's interesting because this outline structures our article effectively. Plus, it has our primary keywords integrated in a way that improves readability and SEO. So that's a great start to write your article. With or without ChatGPT, you can use that as your foundation. Now, an essential element of your content strategy is aligning with the search intent behind the keywords your audience uses. We've already talked about it. Search intent reflects what users are really looking for when they type their queries into a search engine. So by matching our content to this intent, we greatly increase our chances of engaging users and meeting their needs. Let's use ChatGPT to deepen our understanding of search intent for a key area in our strategy. Homemade dog treats. I'll ask ChatGPT, what are the primary search intents behind the query homemade dog treats, and suggest content types that best match these intents. ChatGPT helps us identify that the search intent can range from finding recipes to understanding the nutritional benefits of homemade treats. For each intent, it suggests matching content types, detailed how-to guides and recipe collections, or informative articles on health benefits. That's really helpful because we now know what type of post to write. With insights into search intent, we can now tailor our content more precisely. For users looking for recipes, we might create a blog post titled
10 Easy Homemade Dog Treat Recipes Your Pet Will Love.
For those interested in nutritional aspects, an article like The Benefits of Homemade Dog Treats, What Every Pet Owner Should Know, addresses their concerns directly. So as you can see, crafting a content strategy that's optimized for SEO is about much more than just plugging in keywords. It's about creating a dialogue with your audience. Lucky for you, you know how to identify relevant topics, identify relevant content types, how to integrate keywords in content, and to align with search intent.
So that's a great start, and in the next video, we'll see even better techniques for using ChatGPT in content creation. I see you there.